by Nevs.
Hey everyone, Joffrey here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are taking a closer look at the Huawei Band 9, the latest addition to Huawei's fitness tracker series. We'll unbox this sleek device, explore its features, and see how it stands out in the crowded market of smart wearable. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get it started. First, let's do the unboxing. As we open the box, we are greeted with the Huawei Band 9 itself, neatly packed alongside its magnetic charger. The packaging is minimalistic, yet elegant, staying true to Huawei's design ethos. Moving on with its design and build quality, the Band 9 supports a 1.47-inch AMOLED display, promising vibrant colors and sharp text. It's housed in a durable plastic case with a tactile button on the side for easy navigation. The straps are interchangeable. The one I have here is the fluoroelastomer, which looks good and durable as well, with new fabric options available as well, adding a touch of personal style to the device. One of the best features of this device are the display and user interface. The AMOLED screen is bright and responsive. A new addition is the ambient light sensor, which adjusts the brightness based on your environment. This is a game changer for visibility under different lighting conditions. Moreover, this device also stands out with its health and fitness tracking. Huawei has packed the Band 9 with an impressive array of sensors, including a 9-axis inertial sensor with advanced optical heart rate that includes pulse wave arrhythmia analysis, which you can find these features in Huawei Watch GT series. It has SpO2, stress monitoring, sleep tracking, and more. It supports over 100 plus workout modes, 580 water resistant, making it a versatile companion for all fitness enthusiasts. Despite of having all these functions, this device still managed to give you the best battery performance. The Band 9 boasts up to 14 days of battery life on a single charge. Also, in 10 minutes of charge, you can use the device in 2 days, which is quite remarkable. In terms of connectivity, it connects seamlessly with any smartphone, either Android or iOS, providing notifications, remote shutter, Find My Phone, which is my favorite, and music control right on your wrist. Now here is my final verdict. The Huawei Band 9 is a significant upgrade over its predecessor, offering a refined design, enhanced display features, wide range of compatibility, best battery performance, and comprehensive health tracking capabilities. It's a strong contender in the budget-friendly fitness tracker market. If you are looking for reliable and feature-packed fitness tracker that won't break the bank, the Huawei Band 9 might just be the perfect choice for you. Alright, that's our comprehensive review of the latest Huawei Band 9. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.